One Premium app. Wow. Are you ready for the 3-cylinder high challenge? Since everybody gets to be scared, I'll start the challenge. Since there's no space for Pengu or Pig because my phone isn't that higher than actual. Instead, I'll ignite these bombs. I don't think that's a big idea. I don't think that's a good idea. So, you all won? Good job. While you leave the screen, you have an extra life. Yikes! Goes that. So you all finished the challenge. Yikes! Crazy. That bananas well up, look. Squirrel is eating 1 million bombs. Okay, he already ate a million bombs. So, is this a celebration picture of Saint Explosive Eve? No. Wow! So my video would be over 3 minutes. Thanks for watching. And subscribe to my channel, Razi's Creation, so you can't miss new videos. So, before I end this video, I must make everybody sweet. Or not. Wow. So, that's all for today. Wait, let me make this weird bomb thing before I end this video. I don't have more time. Oh no. Or my video would be 4 minutes. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Well, I think everyone's doing the camp. So, never mind. Bye.